Hello. Today I will show one of my project. Maybe you are looking for, and many other looking for, this one. How to link product color variants to a different page in Prestige theme or different product page. So this is one of my project I have completed, and it was a complex task. If I click on this product, you can see this product has four color, right? So if I click on this product, on this color, it will open another product page. This is a totally new product page, and with the same product group, you can see super soft oversized sweatpants, and just the title changed and all the information, colors, and everything has changed. If I go to black, it will take me to the black, right? It's taking to the black. So many people can find this solution. So if you are looking for this solution, you may contact with me. And this website has another feature, it is also changing the color here. Like if I click here, you can see it's changing. If I click here, it's changing. And if I open this product page, it will open that color product page. And this is not only can do on Prestige theme. I can do in this on anything. So if you are looking for this task or project, you may contact me on WhatsApp or email, or from my website. Please check the description. Thank you.